On paper, the OnePlus 15 comes across as one of the most intimidating Android flagships of the year. A device loaded with top-tier specs that should, in theory, make the competition look outdated overnight. The hardware sheet reads like a flex from OnePlus, almost as if the company wants to send a message that it can outmuscle every other brand in the premium category. But once you stop reading the marketing material and actually stress this phone in the real world, a very different story starts to unfold. And that story revolves around one major problem: heat. Serious, performance-killing, feature-shutting heat. At the center of all this is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, an incredibly powerful chipset, and also one of the most power-hungry pieces of silicon ever put inside a phone. MaxTech had the OnePlus 15 in hand and ran a stack of intensive tests, and the moment that really jumped out was the exact timestamp when the creator pointed out that the device was overheating. All it took was firing up 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, a graphics benchmark notorious for pushing GPUs to their absolute breaking point. And despite OnePlus advertising a vapor chamber that supposedly delivers double the heat dissipation of previous generations, the OnePlus 15 simply couldn't handle the load. The phone spiraled into thermal overload within minutes. Temperatures shot up so high that the benchmark app crashed, and multiple features on the phone became unusable until things cooled back down. This isn't something you expect from a premium device that's marketed for its extreme performance. The situation became even clearer when the OnePlus 15 went head-to-head with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, placed side by side under the same brutal benchmark. After 7 loops of 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, the iPhone peaked at a very manageable 39 degrees Celsius, while the OnePlus 15 blasted all the way up to 52 degrees Celsius. That's not a small difference. That's a thermal gap that's nearly catastrophic for sustained performance. MaxTech reran the test, and the results only got worse. The OnePlus 15 flashed an overheating warning after barely 8 minutes, again shutting down the benchmark and disabling core phone features like the flashlight and hotspot. Once a phone starts turning off basic utilities just to protect itself, you know the thermal system isn't keeping up. The underlying problem appears to be Qualcomm pushing the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 way too aggressively. The chipset draws a massive amount of wattage during GPU-heavy loads, and the heat spikes are simply too extreme for the vapor chamber inside the OnePlus 15 to handle, no matter what the marketing claims say. It's important to note that these issues mostly show up only during unrealistic synthetic tests like 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme. In day-to-day use, the OnePlus 15 runs smoothly, and even gaming performance remains stable with only moderate warmth. And to be fair, this phone is still very new, and early software on any flagship can sometimes mismanage thermal profiles. There's a solid chance that future OTA updates could optimize power draw, improve throttling behavior, and smooth out these thermal spikes. And speaking of flagship devices, Apple is also gearing up for some major upgrades with the upcoming iPhone 18 series. If you want to dive deeper into those changes, I've linked a video here, feel free to check it out.